does have like a bit of a whining noise. I think it might be from like the AYC or something. I'm not sure if the diff is going out or what it is, or it could also be the transfer case, but hopefully it's not that. Yeah, when driving like on corners though, this car just feels so planted. It's weird. Like I haven't really, you know, pushed the car at all or anything, but like you can just feel the grip. And I mean, these tires are, I think they're Toyos, but they're just some all-season tires, I think. So really nothing special, but even with these tires, the car feels really good. It's pretty nice. Jesus. Yeah, this car, it really pulls. I don't know if there's like, you know, a boost controller. I mean, it has a turbo timer, but I don't think that, you know, acts as a boost controller. But holy crap, this car really pulls. And I mean, it's wet out, and it did not slip whatsoever. It's just insane. We put it in third and watch. This car is crazy. It's just so crazy that this is how it came stock. Like, yeah, I just can't imagine like how high horsepower Evos feel like, because this is honestly, for me, I don't see a need for any more power. I think this car has, you know, enough power. Honestly, for this chassis, I think it's enough power. It doesn't feel heavy, you know, and it's fast. It's just so fun. It's also on the stock Evo brakes, and even with these stock brakes, it like well, the guy, I think whoever owned it in Japan, I think he might have tracked this car, because it does have like nice you know, parts. It has in the front, it has GP Sports coilovers, and in the rears it has Fortunatos, and for pads he has endless pads all the way around. Not sure which endless pads, but yeah, I mean, like, this car, it does stop, you know. I wouldn't be nervous to, you know, really brake hard on it. So I feel like it has enough power, or I mean, stopping power. And the front discs are actually 294 millimeter. So I mean, they're not that small. It's a pretty big rotor, I think. I don't remember what size rotor my 240 has with the Z32 front brakes, but I know I think it's around the same. So yeah, I mean, it's just the stock Evo 4 brakes. They're not 4 pods. I think they're just a 2 pot or a 1. But yeah, you know, the big rotor does help stopping. So I'm gonna switch the camera right now and have you guys see, you know, like driving from the front. Yeah, don't mind that gauge. The sensor, it's an oil pressure sensor. It's the wiring on it is pretty bad. Need to fix that. I have a new sensor for the oil pressure and water temp, because the water temp gauge is not hooked up. I don't believe it's not reading as well. So yeah, really all that works is my oil temp, so it's not too bad. But yeah, I'm gonna try to see how to get out of here now. I don't know, some random neighborhood. Yeah, see, this thing just gets up and goes. It's insane how easily it does that. Jeez, this thing is fast. Gosh. this power and 215 tire, I think it'd be super grippy. Like, it'd be really good on track. But I do have a set of 215 Kendas, so once I get the Evo 8 Enkis powder coated, I really do want to throw those tires on and, you know, take it to like a, I don't know, like an autocross or a track day, and just see how well the car will perform. And also have the Evo 8 Brembos, so once I install those wheels, I also want to put the brakes, so I think it'd be a really, really good car with all those. But yeah, it's so crazy how, you know, you can be stepping on it and it's so fast, but, you know, just driving it normally, it's like, you know, it's just a daily car, you know, nothing special. I'm gonna try to do a U-turn real quick. Yeah, one thing with Evos is doing U-turns is not the best. This thing definitely sucks at doing U-turns. It's pretty scary, not gonna lie, doing this thing just wants to keep going. Like, it doesn't feel like it falls off at all, which is so crazy. Driving this car, honestly, like, I really, really want to take this car like on road trips and stuff. Like, I feel like if I don't do too much, you know, like engine wise, just keep it stock, or just keep it like this, you know, and just maintain it, I think, you know, I can probably like take it on trips and it'll be fine, you know. Yeah, I have no idea where I'm at. I'm just kind of seeing where I'm going. Yes, I can't go this way. I can't. Okay. So this is a nice road. I'm not saying much, but like, it's just, this car is just so fun to drive. Like, really can't get enough of driving it. Alright, we'll do one more pull. Right now. Jesus Christ, this thing just, I'm not even looking, I can't look down, like, it's just so scary to do that. Holy shit. Fuck, this car is fucking crazy. Yeah, we made it back. So, I think that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching again if you stuck this far. So yeah, catch you guys later.